The Terra Lunaclassic rose almost 60% in one day. Is the crypto making a comeback? After headline crypto news after its infamous crash triggered by the Terra USD, or UST stablecoin depegging fiasco in May, which in turn resulted in an overall downtrend in crypto markets, Lunaclassic token of the Terra ecosystem is in the news again. The Lunaclassic token zoomed 57.0961% intraday on Wednesday, as per data from CoinMarketCap. The cryptocurrency was trading at $0.00008521 in the wee hours of Wednesday and zoomed to $0.00001533 in the morning. The cryptocurrency is currently trading at $0.00001275, 45.07% up. The cryptocurrency has a 24-hour trading volume of $861,021,302. Is Lunaclassic making a comeback? On the surface, it may appear that Terra's Lunaclassic is making a comeback. However, the cryptocurrency crashed to the abyss in the last month. The price of the crypto fell by more than 99.99%. Based on sound technical and fundamental analysis, analysts do not see any upside in the cryptocurrency in the near future. What caused Lunaclassic to crash? The cryptocurrency crashed 100% in May this year as a result of the UST, an algorithmic stablecoin, depegging catastrophe. But what is the connection between Lunaclassic and UST? The adoption of UST as a stablecoin is critical to the success of the Terra ecosystem, hence the Lunaclassic token and UST are intrinsically linked. Lunaclassic backs UST and the token is burned when demand for UST rises. Alternatively, if UST is perceived to be volatile, the value of Lunaclassic plummets. The live price of Terra Classic is $0.000137 per LUNC/USD today with a current market cap of $883.9 million US. 24-hour trading volume is $1.3 billion US. Terra Classic is plus 44.99% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 6,554.99 billion US dollars.